Hello friends, today we would be learning about compare to method in string. Okay, so let's see what's its definition. Compare to method compares the ASCII values of the characters or alphabets. Okay, ASCII values of the alphabets, the characters. Let's see what it is. What's ASCII value? ASCII value is this one. See, character A, small a, its ASCII value is 97, and that's how it goes. A, B, C, 97, 1999. And for character capital A, it's 65. So that's how it goes till Z. Okay, so 65, 66, 67. That's how it goes. It compares the ASCII value of the characters. That's compared to method. So let's see in programs. So what does compare to method does? So let's see first. System out dot println B dot compare to A. So okay, okay, that it does. And if the string s1 is greater than string s2, what it does, it returns positive number. If string s1 is less than s2, it returns negative number. If string s1 is equal to s2, then it returns 0. Okay, that you have to remember. So that b dot compare to a. So b is less than a, as 66 is less than 65. So what it would be, what would be the output? It should be negative. Okay, let's execute it first. So let's see. Okay, string b is greater than string a, so it's positive value. Okay, b is 66 and a is 65. So 66 is greater than 65. That's why it's positive. What if it's what is c? So this is 66. The ASCII value of b is 66, and the ASCII value of c is 67. Okay, so what will be the output? As 66 is less than 67, so it should be negative. Okay, so it's negative. What if b is equal to b? That means 66 equal to 66. It should be 0. Okay, 66 equal to 66, that's 0. Okay, hope you got that. So let's do the program. Let's take a string. This is a string likes, this string Aman, dog, bat, ab. Okay, we have to sort this in the ascending order. Okay, so for we use split method, and here we have given a guess space. Okay, so what it does, it divides in the puts the in string of array. So likes, after the space it gives the str of 0, str of 1. So it divides after the space. Okay, the str of 0 is likes, str of 1 is string, str of 3 is Aman. Like that it goes. So first let's take for loop, as we have to compare. Okay, so we need to take two for loops, and we have to give the length as str dot length. As it's array, so we don't need to keep it as method. Okay, it would be just str dot length, and here we just take another for loop, as we have to compare. So we are taking two for loops, and we will compare likes with string. So this I is 0, so j would be I plus 1. Okay, that's I plus 1. Right, so now we would use if condition, and we use compare to method over here, as we are comparing both of them. So we have to give in ascending order. So let's say str of I. Okay, str of I dot compare to str of j. Okay, what you have done here, str of I dot As you see, we have taken two for loops. Int I of equal to 0, I less than str dot length is the length, and we have taken the js I plus 1. This is important, don't forget about this. We have to compare it. So is it greater than or less than? We have to check that is it less or greater than. If is greater than equal to 1, that means stri, as we have compared over here, stri, where it is now, str of I dot compared to str of j. If it's greater than, it's positive value. Okay, then it's if it's greater than, then what we would do, we would do the swap. Okay, so we would create a temporary variable, and we would give it initialize it with str of I. Okay, now we would go with str of j equal to, hope you know that swapping method type. So we have to create a temporary variable and put str of I value over that, and str of I will have a value of str of j, as str of I is greater than str of j. So we have to swap it. Okay, we are swapping the value over here with str of j, str of I with str of j. Okay, now we would, swapping has been done now. Okay, we have to print that value, so we would use print method over here. We would take str of I. Okay, let's go and see. Okay, is this. So let's, here we have, what we have done is, that's why this is coming, because we have made a mistake over here. Let me correct this one first. We have to give as temporary variable over here. Okay, then it will give the proper. See now, this A for Aman, add doc, C A B C D E F G H I J K L, I'm gonna pick R S T A R S. Okay, that's how it has been in ascending order. What if this two of them, as a two other characters, A and A, both of them are same? So what it does is, it takes the second character, then B and B, it compares with both of them, so with B and B. So which is greater, M is greater. So this is how it came the second. Okay, so the comparative method does that. So for comparing, we have to use two for methods, for loops. Then you have to, in if condition, we have to compare str of I with str of j, and j is I plus 1. We have to check whether it's greater than or equal to 1. We have to, so for ascending order, greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and we have to do the swap method. For swap is string temp str of I, means in temporary variable we are putting the str I value, that's a str of I, that's likes, and on str of I we are putting the str of j value, that's string. That, for example, I'm doing, it's a string. So in str of I now becomes the string value. On a temporary variable, it's likes. So for str of j, we give the temporary variable, that's likes. So we swap those the strings are swapped, likes and string as swapped in str of I and str of j. That's how it goes. What if we want to print in descending order? For descending, we have to use less than. Okay, for descending we have to use less than. See, string likes dog bat aman ab. Okay, you can see over here. That's how it goes. Okay, If you don't know about string split, you can even see my other string programs and string theories and all in my description. I have given all the links. Please go and watch it. This is very important thing. So please keep on doing that, reading it or seeing, watching the video. And I will even give the string immutable, which is very, very important. Please watch it over there. Okay. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.